Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make your dog help you kill a mob or some animals like a sheep, a zombie, and that stuff. Okay, my dog name is Buck. So we can kill. See there? There, he killed that sheep. Now we're going to the cow, and the dog will he will spawn where you run. He will teleport after you, step by step. Okay, so I'm going for a cow. My game is lagging right now. Yo, why you lagging, bro? Yo, why you lagging? I hit the cow, and then my dog goes. And there he killed the cow. Okay, I'm gonna try one again. Third time, I hit the cow one time, and they're back. Just back, yes. Okay, so after this, I'm now, so I'm done here. I'm going to post another video of how to put your dog or animal a name tag on to give him a name. Because my dog name is Buck. And there you have it, folks. Boo!